Here we'll be learning how to make this beautiful fascinator. Okay, get your materials ready and let's start. Now I have my millinery wire. This is it, cut out already. I use my plier to cut it out, depending on how big you want it. What I have here is about this is 29.5 inch. 29.5 inch. Hope you can see this. This 29.5 inch. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is fold the two edge. Hope you can see this. Fold the two edge this way. Place it on each other. Now about an half inch or at most 1 inch. So place them on each other. Now I'm done wrapping the millinery wire with the bias round, so you can see it. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick up my piece of cloth or net, two nets, any fabric or any material of your choice. I'm using this. Then you place it on the table this way. Now place the wrapped millinery wire on your material. Then you gather it. So after placing my wire on my material, then I gather the center this way. You can see this. Now if you want it bigger than this, you have to increase the inches. 35, 37, 40 thereabout, depending on how big you want it. And if you want a smaller one to this, remember this was 29.5 inch. The half inch on is what we use in tying it together. So approximately we have 9 inches left rather. So if you want it smaller than this, you can reduce yours to 25 inches, 23 inches, 20 inches, depending on how small or how big you want it. So I have this. Then the next thing for me is I'm going to pick it at the center this way. I'm going to drag it out. Just pick it out. It's make it firm. Just pick it out this way. Just drag it out this way. Now the essence of this is to be sure that you really pick all the all the, or how will I put it? You pick all the fabric, all the material at the edges to avoid losing at the long run. That's the essence of picking. Mind you, it's not a must to pick if you are sure of your gathering, of your gathers. If you are sure of it, there's no need picking. No, now this is the outcome. Can you see this? I've trimmed the excess part of it. I've trimmed the excess. And the next thing we're going to do is we put this aside. Then get our quilloning. I have my quilloning here with me. Now I'm going to start pleating. Okay. First of all, let me check. I think this should be around these 2 yards. I mean, this 1.5 yard. 1.5 yard. So I'm going to start pleating. Before that, I'm going to tie the edge this way. I'm using my thread, tie the rough edge. Make sure you tie it well. Tie it well. Then trim off the excess. So you're going to cut off these rough edges. You have this. Then the next thing we're going to do from here is, okay, I think I need to trim this more. Okay, it's better now. You can see this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'll start pleating for this way. Hope you can see this. Then you fold this way, this way, this way, and you twist your hand again. Fold 1, 2. Here, I'm done. Can you see? I've attached my Alice band at the back at the same time. So why tackling this on the fascinator at the same time? I attach or I fix my Alice band on it at the same time. So this is the outcome. This is it. Okay, so this is it. Isn't this lovely? Okay, the last thing now is to cover this, to conceal it with our felt. The thread. So this is a felt. This is how the felt looks like. I'm going to use my zigzag scissors to cut it out. If you don't have this, you can use your normal scissors. I mean, the regular one. You can use this. So I have it cut out already. And the reason why I like using these zigzag scissors is to give it a nice edge, a nice finishing. You can look at this closely. Can you see this? Okay, and then the next thing is to apply my glue on the felt gently. You don't have to press the glue, else it's going to rush out, which might stain your work. At the same time, it will amount to wastage of glue. So just apply it gently on the felt. Make sure you apply the glue evenly on it. You don't have to, can you see, I'm not pressing it, but it's coming out itself. And always remember to close your glue, else it's gonna dry up. Okay, so you place it gently to conceal the thread that was used to tack the Alice band to the fascinator. So can you see this? Your finishing matters a lot. Finishing matters a lot. That is it. And there we go. So and after that, let's test this. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Join us again next time and next class. I remain Dorothy. Welcome, bye. Isn't this lovely? Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.